Someone saw this photo that we took and then commissioned us for one of the craziest photo projects we've had to date. What makes this project so cool is that we get to build a forced perspective stage, drive it 2 hours north to Washington, D.C., set it up, and then photograph a ton of people at a World Pride event.
Every new project starts with a fresh piece of plywood, and we are about to turn this plywood into a forced perspective stage.
The first step was trying to figure out how dramatic I wanted the forced perspective set to be. So basically I had to figure out how wide I wanted the front and how slim I wanted the back. The wider the front, the more the illusion would come true.
82, so that's 8.
Once we had the top pieces cut, we framed out the stage. Big part of this build was making sure that the stage was structurally sound. We knew we were going to have 2 to 8 people in every shot, so it needed to be strong.
Yeah, look how perfect these.
Do you want to see what you're doing? This is good.
I'm making a forced perspective stage right now, and it's really strong. It's made out of 3/4 inch plywood, and I'm in my backyard on my deck, which I have made my art studio during the summer months, and I'm making the best thing I've ever made.
Designing a set to travel is tricky. It had to be designed to break apart, but that means you have to cleverly hide the seams because we also want it to look perfect as possible and have minimal Photoshop work.
In theory, it's reverse, right? So that
If you're loving this build, you have to check out our forced perspective photography course, where we teach you all about forced perspective and how to enhance that effect in camera. We also show you how to build a forced perspective tabletop set that you can use for your very own forced perspective shoot. Check it out in the description below.
Then we moved on to paint.
We have been building a set all week long for Maurice's Pride Party in DC that is happening tomorrow night. But the set is painted and it is, I think, one of our best sets ever. It's going to be really freaking cool.
We did a 2-tone paint job on this set. We built in raised forced perspective striping to make the set look more surreal. So we had to tape off the set and spray paint the stripes.
yeah, I did.
Great.
We're headed to DC in my rental van. I love vans. I'll tell you 20 reasons I love vans. 1, they're Ford, and I love Ford. 2, you can fit a lot of stuff in it. 3, it's protected by water, from rain. 4, they drive like a dream. 5, van life. And that's about all I got.
To be continued.
When we got to DC, we unloaded the set and started assembling. It took us about 4 hours to get everything set up and lit for the party.
Look at that.
During the party, we did live photo shoots and even got to photograph Simone from RuPaul's Drag Race. Jada photographed about 50 different shoots over a 3-hour period. The next day, the editing marathon began. We had to get these photos back fast, so we binge edited in the Holiday Inn Express hotel room and edited all the photos from the night before. Be sure to like and subscribe.